Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from a SIM card to the phone. So to get started, we will want to open up our Contacts application. And here tap on these three bars, navigate to Manage Contacts, and in here you'll find Import Contacts option. Select it. It will give you a couple options where you can import your contacts from. So you have phone or cloud storage or a SIM card. I'll be selecting SIM card. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card, so you can choose each individually by simply tapping on it like this, or you can quickly select all of them right over here and maybe deselect ones that you don't want. From there, click on Done. This will ask you where you want to import the contacts to. We have two options, or at least I do right now. I have phone and Google account. Additionally, you could probably see multiple Google accounts if you have several signed in on your device, and also Samsung account as a different way as well. So choose whichever one you want. I'll be selecting phone, choose import, and we're done. So let's click on OK, and all our contacts should be now nicely imported in here. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.